I thought I would just show you a little trick which is useful when you're dealing with a heavy wheel and tyre assembly. I need to put this wheel back onto that hub there, and my back's not feeling too great. I don't feel like lifting it. It's very heavy. It's a very heavy old cross ply, bias ply type tyre. So I thought I'd show you something. I did this yesterday and it worked well, so I thought I'd just try it again. So you just get your wheel sort of in contention like this. Get one of the lug nut holes to the top. Turn your drum so it's, you know, more or less like that. Just put your wheel off to the side like that. Get your garden spade. Put it there with the end of the blade underneath the middle of the thing. And have it kind of square on like that. Roll your wheel back over like that. Hang on, let's just roll the wheel there. Get it there. Okay. Put your foot on the spade. Lift the wheel. Okay, it's not quite right, but hang on. Bear in mind you could normally use two hands. So I'll just turn the drum a little bit. I'm actually too high, look. Lower it down. Get it on, and then watch. Move your spade like that to get the lower ones on. And they're on there, look. See? So I've rotated it from square to there. That moved that bit that way, and it's put it on. Put it on dead easy. No struggling or straining. Anyway, garden spade. Excellent. You have to have the hub, you know, at a reasonable height, so it's within the realms of what you can lift, you know, with the leverage. Anyway, so if you're struggling with your back, or you know, you just don't want to lift the wheel, that method works really well. Thanks very much. I'll catch you next time when I've got something else to show. Cheers then. Bye.